Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw the circumscribing cycle of a triangle using the question above. So the question says, construct a triangle ABC on AB as base with AB 70 mm, AC 57 mm, and BC 76 mm, and draw the circumscribing cycle. So I will start by drawing the triangle. So I will start with line AB. From the question, you will observe that they said line AB is 70 mm. So I will draw my line AB. I will just draw a horizontal line for line AB. Remember, your line AB is 70 mm. So I will call this point A and this point B. Now to get AC and BC, so I will start with AC. So I will adjust my compass to radius of 57 mm because from the question they said AC is 57 mm. Then I will place my compass on point A. Then I will cut arc this way. So next I will adjust my compass to radius of BC, which is 76 mm from the question. Then I will place the compass on point B. Then I will cut arc this way. That is, this arc should intersect the previous arc. I will label the point where the arcs intersect C. So now I will draw lines joining point A and point C. Now we have our triangle. So I will proceed now to draw the circumscribing cycle. But before then, there are steps to take. So first, you have to bisect two sides of your triangle. So for this video, I'm bisecting side AB and side AC. So I will do so this way. So I will place my compass on point B first. Then I will adjust the compass in such a way that the radius of the compass is greater than half line AB but less than line AB. Then I will cut arc this way. So I will also place the compass using the same radius on point A. Then I will cut another arc. This arc must intersect the previous arc. So I will do the same for AC. So next, I will draw a line passing through this point and this point. That is where these arcs intersect. And also another line passing through this point and this point. That is where this arc and this arc intersect. So the line should be extended to intersect this line. So I will label the point of intersection. That is the point where this line and this line intersect. So I will label the point O. Now to produce the circumscribing cycle, I will place my compass on point O. That is the point where the bisectors intersect. Then I will produce the cycle. I will ensure that the cycle pass through point A, B, and C. If my construction is accurate, the cycle will just touch point A, B, and C. Those are the three corners of the triangle. So I will adjust my compass to point C. That is either of the points, so I'm using point C. Once my pencil is on point C, I can now produce my cycle. So we are done with this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any question on engineering and technical drawing in general, you can message me on WhatsApp. The number displayed is my WhatsApp number.